Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we will unbox and have a closer look at the new product from the one and only, of course, Rode. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. It's gonna be the NTH100 Professional Overhead Headphones. Come on, look at this. So clean, so nice, man. What company does that? Not many of them. Let's jump right into it because headphone is something that I love a lot, especially as a professional dancer. If you don't know, I got some moves. Okay? And music, something that I love a lot, just gets me going, get me in the mood. Rode has been putting 30 years of work and this is their first headphone. So I'm very excited to see this NTH100. Wow. So you guys are looking and just unboxing with me. We will test, we will hear. But first, what's in the box? One NTH100 headphone, one 2.4 meter headphone cable, one 3.5 millimeter to 1/4 inch adapter, one colors ID set, and one storage pouch. Package, Rode vibes, you know, Rode vibes. Diferente. Okay, there it is. You can see the Rode right in the center, the little O that we all know. Hey, my new cat, black and gold. Thank you very much. Here it is, the black cord, love it. There is the adapter here as well, the colors. Do not eat, and that's it. Boom, very nice. If you don't like, or if this break, which I don't think is gonna happen because this is very strong, you wanna change NTH cable 2.4 meter blue, 1.2 meter pink, another 2.4 meter orange, and 1.2 green. Orange, there we go. More of this little identification. This one is 2.4 meter, same thing, the ID, and green, smaller, so you can pick and choose. They sell this separately. All the information is gonna be in the description down below. Let's go to the big guy over here. Okay. Inside, right and left. The red indicates right. If you're not able to see, you'll be able to read this and feel it. Very nice. It feels so good. The Alcantara earpad and headband cushions are extremely resistant to wear and tear. So good, so good. Looks like very comfy. Feels like the couch, you know what I mean? Very cushy here on top as well. Fancy fabric. Very soft, feels good. And you can switch as well. If you need to change, you can do that too. Fitlock locking system. Fancy. Fitlock, make it fit and then you lock. The other side, same thing. So we're able to customize to fit your big heady. Whoa, it's very good. Let's see here without the hat. Let's adjust this. Twist this, make it tighter, lock again. Boom. Dual-sided cable attachment. Both sides we can connect. Amazing. Doesn't get on the way if you want to edit on this side, or if you're producing some beats, some fuegos, or if you're monitoring your audio. Let me see. Right, left. Let me see. That's it. I can monitor my videos. I can monitor my voiceover, or if you're doing your podcast, live streamings, whatever you want. You see the logo here on the side as well. The little pouch, very clean. It weighs 350 grams and the price is $149. Your search for the perfect headphones is over. Yes, it is. Especially editing videos for a long period of time, it can get a little bit sore, hotty, canty, and then this, it helps. Well, let's try it. See, Nice lock system here. Yes. Thank you very much. No, I don't want this side. I want the other one. I need some bass. It's good. Can hear every little detail. I like to listen loud. To edit, it's gonna be amazing. As a videographer, editor perspective, this is definitely my go-to right now because very comfortable, and that's one thing for me. Doesn't matter if the shoe looks good, if it's not comfy, I don't care. Same thing. This game changer. Thank you very much, Rode, because clearly you guys put some time, and I want to see what my wife is gonna say, because I had another headphones before and this part used to come off. Every time that I used to edit, my ears used to be black here because it would come off this part of the inside as well. Well, now my problem is solved. I like that it's black, simplistic. There is not much logo like popping in people's face. It's black on black, just a little gold detail here. Love that. Let's switch the color. Which color do you want? Let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite. Orange, green, blue, or pinky. Ha! I'm gonna go with the green. See, this is a little shorter, same but different. And if you want to do some podcasts to monitor different people, different colors, you already know. I just love the details, you know, very nice. Because usually these parts here bend and the cord just goes straight into the trash. Very nice that there is this resistance here, so it's always like straight. You know what I mean? Like that a lot. Little things, you know. Unfortunately, it's not like a lens or like a microphone that I can show you that you're gonna be able to hear the difference between other products. But here, honest opinion, who is this for? I would say video editor, music producer, podcast, live streaming, anything and everything that you're using to monitor your audio. I highly recommend. Love the little details like I told you before. The cord, the lock, ability to choose what side you're gonna use. Very clean, very nice lock feature, very strong, very soft. Super comfortable, and I'm sure that I'm gonna be able to edit for a long period of time and it's not gonna bother me. It's loud and it's not gonna get my ear black. Constructive comments. Can you imagine if you like twist something and then this would come in like, and then it would be like tiny, smaller, and if this pouch was like smaller, you know what I mean, because it would like fold in and it was like a hard case. I'm just gonna leave out there. That's it. Fuego, highly recommend. My new favorite headphones. Leave your like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Rode, thank you very much for supporting this channel. And if you like tech, I have another video right here just for you. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.